IVM.
Hi everybody, just wanted to ask everyone for a quick favor. We're running a brand survey right now and would really appreciate it if you could let us know what you think about the advertising on IVM. Go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and do let us know. As part of this, we'll be selecting 10 random participants and sending them some IVM swag, so do fill out those surveys.
Hello and welcome to the Habit Coach Podcast, the bite-sized podcast filled with quick and easy, actionable habits. Remember, great habits create that awesome life. I am Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach. And today's fun fact of the day has to do with August. Did you know that August has the most number of birthdays in the year? About 9% of all birthdays are in August. So clearly we have some December-ish mating season that is going on. But I love the fact that as a Parsi, we not only follow the regular Roman calendar, but we also follow the Parsi calendar, which is lunar solar cycle based. And as a result, I end up having 2 birthdays a year. Basically, the Parsi calendar does not account for that leap year's extra day. And hence, every 4 years, my birthday moves 1 day earlier. Now, as a kid, that's a treat because you get 2 cakes, 2 parties, 2 sets of gifts, and I just love it. Now, however, I celebrate a 3rd birthday. And this is the day my life changed forever. This is the day when I took the first step out of the ashes of my crumbling life. For me, it was the 6th of September a few years ago. And I have a photo from this day. And this photo represents the transition from my old life to the new life you all know today. If it wasn't for the 6th of September and the painful choice that I made, none of this would have been possible. For a child, being born is pure trauma. You are suddenly pushed out or pulled out of your comfortable, cozy home into this strange world. Sometimes with a cord around your neck trying to kill you. Being born is always traumatic. And many of us are passing through hell right now in our lives. Many of us have been pushed or pulled into a world that is new and scary. The life we knew so well no longer exists. Everything is scary and sad. And the transition is scary. Some of you might have had an accident, lost a loved one, had a divorce, or a relationship end. Some of you might have moved homes, or lost your job, or have something else come and turn your life around. Heck, even change your life so much, you no longer recognize it. And all I want to say to you is, happy birthday to you. Though it might feel like the end, this is actually a new beginning. You've been given a blank slate, and never underestimate the power of a blank slate. You can create a new life for yourself on a blank slate. You don't have the baggage of who you were. You can now become something completely new. A friend of mine recently went through a life-changing moment such as this. And while her life was turned completely upside down and was sad, upset, angry, and all those emotions that go with it, she slowly started realizing that this was an opportunity for a new life. She was not accepting the new life till she realized it as an opportunity to grow and blossom like never before. Just like a baby who needs to learn how to walk, learn how to talk, learn how to sit, learn how to experience the world, you too need to relearn life. How exciting that is. Letting go of the baggage. It's a new life for you. Start exploring new things that bring you joy and happiness. Start exploring new friendships. Start exploring your fitness, your body. Start exploring new work and financial opportunities. Start exploring a new you. I went through this, and all you see in front of you is a result of embracing this new life. Living in the hope of a better future and exploring new things and new possibilities. Being in this line of work, I've been able to help so many people find their new lives, and I feel blessed to be able to do it. I hear all your stories when you share them with me, and I feel so grateful. Today, there is no simple habit because this is not a habit. But the decisions you make and the habits you will form from now onwards will make or break this new life of yours. Share this episode with your friends who are going through something like this in their life. They need to realize that there's always hope and a better tomorrow. As your habit coach, I want to wish you a happy birthday and say, I love you. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, I am Ashtin Doc on Twitter and Instagram. You can find lots more information on my website, awesome180.com, or check out different content on my YouTube channel called AWESOME 180. That's Awesome 180.
Hey everybody, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On the last brand standing, apparel brands are at war. It's Manyavar versus Raymond's this time. Anupam and Ambi introduce us to their origin stories and how a new brand like Manyavar took on Raymond's, an established giant. On Misconduct, Raghavi and Nisha tell us the story of the mythological Kannagi's personal trials and tribulations and how she finally snapped and burned down an entire city. On Naan Curry, Sadaf and Archit discuss superfoods, nutrition, and bust some food myths from the internet with the help of Dr. Nandita Iyer, author and food blogger. On KBCD with Farhad and Sunitra, we discuss C4 conflicts. Being different is difficult. It's definitely more complicated, especially when you're dealing with inferiority and superiority complexes. Do check this episode out for a great discussion on this. And on Smarter with Sid, Siddharth tells us why the Michelin star experience is consumed as a story and woven into the brand experience. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And remember, if you're enjoying this show or any of our other shows for that matter, please do tell a friend. That is the most helpful thing that you could do to help us out. And finally, this week, we'd like to thank our sponsors on the network, Cred, Bank of Baroda, Quarter, CoinSwitch, Kuber, and Intel vPro. We really do appreciate the support. This is what makes it possible.
Don't you think that if everyone around you is getting smart, you better be smarter? Hey there, I'm the traveling professor Siddharth Deshmukh and I'm back with season 2 of my podcast to make you smarter. Smarter with Sid. What's this season's focus about? Well, it's about 10-minute nuggets that will make you stand out at work. It's time to go from smart to smarter. Tune in every Tuesday and Thursday and become smarter with Sid.